When we talked about perfect competition or competitive markets, when we talked about demand and supply. So, we used to do all this comparative statistics exercises where we said, okay, if there is a change in the market or business environment, what happens? So, we could say if this is the demand curve and here is the supply curve, and suppose the demand increases to d naught to d 1, then we would say that the equilibrium price and quantity will also change. The quantity will go up to q 1 and the price will go up to p 1. So, we might ask ourselves, well, what happens with a monopoly? Suppose the demand increases. Will this kind of effect still predominate? Will prices go up? Will quantity go up? So, the idea is, suppose you have a monopolist and here is your demand curve and your marginal revenue curve. To keep things simple, let me just say that the marginal cost is constant out here, quantity, price in rupees, and then you say, okay, what's the amount this guy is going to produce? QE and a price of PE. Now, suppose the demand increases, right? Suppose the demand curve, well, it could shift in all sorts of ways. Maybe it shifts, this is D 0 and MR 0, and so the demand curve say shifts to D 1. And then there will be a new MR 1. And then this new MR 1 will intersect the marginal cost curve at a different point. So, in this case out here. And what you see in this particular example is what? The prices actually come down. So, which is very different from what would happen with a perfectly competitive firm. There price will certainly go up, but because the demand has increased for a monopolist, the monopolist then says, I can sell more, and since I can sell more, maybe I should lower my price to P 1, which is different, right? And actually it can happen all sorts of ways. You can show situations where the price actually increases or the price comes down. Similarly, in this case the quantity increases, but you can, depending on how the demand curve moves and consequently how the marginal revenue curve moves, you could also have quantity coming down as well. So, it is not clear at all from this stuff is simple. It says demand goes up, no matter what happens, price will go up, quantity will go up. In the case of a monopolist, depending upon the cost curves and the demand curves, how they are positioned and what is their slope, etc., you can have a whole range of changes. So, it will depend on the particular situation, on how actually things will move.